All right, so we're working on a mailbox with a Gothic arch inside. All right, so when you do a Gothic arch and you get to the top, there's this last pieces to put in. There's a couple ways you can do it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a piece of bluestone this whole length. So we need to find this angle first. To find this angle here, we're gonna use a bevel square. So this is adjustable. You can loosen this and this moves around. All right, we already have this set to the angle, and I'll show you where the angle is. You know, you adjust it and you put it in there, and that gives you the angle of stone you need. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to take that angle, put it to a piece of stone, and try to carve this stone from what we need. All right, so here we are. We're at our cutting table. You can see we got a piece of bluestone here that should be long enough for what we need. All right, we already got started on this front angle, so pretty much you gotta get a piece of stone that's soft and you can shape with some chisels. You're gonna take the angle that we had and you gotta mark it on this piece of stone. So we still have some work to do here on this. Let's flip it over. Right, we still have a little bit of work to do, but we're getting started on that. So we'll get that going, we'll cut that. And then after you mark the angle on the face, you're then gonna transfer these straight lines down the stone, and then you're gonna work this off with a stone pitching tool that we had that we'll show you. And then you can take that same angle and you can mark it on the back, and then we're gonna start working this stone to fit where we need it. We could always use a saw and cut this, but we have the tools. This is a soft stone, we're gonna give it a shot, all right? Show you another video when it's done.